Check it out, my friends. Mushrooms gone wild, coming out of the straw-filled 5-gallon bucket. Getting really close to harvest time here. Let's see how the bathtub worm bin is doing so far this winter. I can see I need to do another feeding. It's gone down quite a bit. So look at this, guys. We're at a consistent 64, 65 degrees here, even in the winter. And look at this activity. So if you were questioning the seedling heat mat technique, well, there's some proof for you. It works. Keep your bin active all year long, and in no time you'll be producing copious amounts of nutrient-dense worm castings for your garden. Your plants will love you for it. So what else do we got going on here? Well, Alice is harvesting some greens, and the way she harvests is a little here, a little there, spreading out the harvest, just pulling a few leaves off of random plants. And that's why our tree collars and tree kales always look so full, because we don't just pull from just one plant.
Different kind, variety.
And check out all these volunteer tree collared and tree kale plants growing up on the edge of this raised bed. I did a lot of seed cleaning over here and dumped some of the leftover pods in this area. So we've got all kinds of greens popping up now. I went ahead and ordered up a custom banner to place here around the hot tub. I was given a lot of free advertising to the maker of that hot tub. So I decided, hey, might as well slap the channel there, since it's a prime location right there in the center of the greenhouse. I think it turned out pretty darn cool. Also, I ended up bringing in my LED grow light stand here in the greenhouse. Why not? Everything's doing well out here. Might as well keep my plant growing operation consolidated. If you happen to miss that video where I share with you how I put this all together, it only took 15 minutes. And it's very affordable. Check the link below in the description box. Also, I received my very first shipment of fruit trees that I'll be adding to the backyard food forest for the 2022 growing season. There's also a couple grapevines in here. Got some 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗄𝗏 grapes. Nice large grape. And these trees here with this beautiful green foliage are 𝗨𝗏𝗏 trees. 𝗨𝗏𝗏 has been a proven winner in my garden. It's an evergreen, got a tropical look to it, rather cold hardy. And I've already got a gold-colored, golden nugget, I believe is the variety, I'm not 100% positive, 𝗨𝗏𝗏 tree. And now I picked up a red and a white variety. So I'm going to strategically place these along the fence line where I want to create a little bit more privacy in the yard. Oh, and there's also a couple more elderberry plants to add into the garden as well. And as soon as this shipment arrived last night, I took the plants out of the box. You can see how healthy they're looking. So there's plenty of garden tasks for me to get involved with, and I'm going to enjoy every minute of it. I've got some seeds starting that I want to continue with as well. Anyway, my friends, I hope this video finds you and finds you well. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.